to have fun. No, I'm kidding. I'm more on a runway model.
Runway.
Me as well. I do runway, but as of this last January, I do pageants.
Pageants.
So it's my first time to join talaga sa runway model.
First time na lang po.
Yes po.
Senior high po. You.
Hi. Working. Ikaw po?
Me too, working.
Working. So, dalawa lang. Ilang taon na po ba kayo? Ikaw po?
I'm 25 years old.
25.
Me as well, 25. We're your tita.
Mukhang hindi 25.
Thank you. That's compliment. Hindi mo sure kung anong next. Mukhang anong age?
20.
Very thank you. Akala ko 35 eh.
Ikaw pa?
17 na po.
17. Wow, you look good. Cherry pear?
Cherry pear.
Ikaw pa? 26. 26, you're na...
Ano bang surprise mo para sa amin?
Marami.
Oh, love that.
May personal? Personal, syempre.
Oh.
Ikaw pa ate?
Oh, I'm excited for everything.
Everything.
First time then, what you really do have for us right now?
Ikaw ba?
Yeah, ganun rin. Excited since first time ko rin ma-featured sa ganitong interview.
Ito, ano na, about your life.
Was way back 2019, if I'm not mistaken, and actually I don't have any idea about modeling. Like I don't know. I grew up like a boyish. I have three brothers, so and I had a classmate in college that she's into modeling, and the cycle 3, and I walk like a duck. You know, I don't know how to walk. I walk like a duck with the one leg injured. So it was so funny, but DMP modeling management fixed it, and now like I can walk with confidence. And yeah.
2019, I'm 2 years old pa lang. Marunong na maglakad.
Wow!
Very nice.
Love it.
At advance na, advance. Wala na sa 2. 1 na. Ay, 1 na. 3. Ikaw pa ate?
Well, I used to be doing pageantry before, even though when I was like high school. So I met Judy in modeling. So she invited me to the runway because they really taught me what's the difference on fashion show and doing pageantry. So this girl really invited me to push the runway fashion show, and also DMP is a part of my being model. So I'm really grateful. Like it's a big journey for me, which is really different, but I really love it.
Okay, ikaw pa ate?
My experience in DMP